Let me show you how to make the best tamales de piña. These will become a family favorite for the holiday season. Cheers! For this recipe, I'm gonna be using 1 whole pineapple that I've already peeled and cut into smaller pieces. Then we add 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 1/3 cup of water, give it a mix and cook for 10 minutes or until the pineapple is completely soft. It's been 10 minutes, I'm gonna turn it off and now we're gonna smash the pineapple. Not completely because we still want a little bit of chunks. And this is how I like it. We're gonna start making the masa. To my stand mixer, I'm gonna add 1 stick of butter flavored shortening, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We mix at medium speed for 5 minutes. It's ready and now we can add the masa. I'm adding 6 cups of maseca for tamales. Next we add the pineapple, 1 cup of sugar, mix on low speed, and while it's mixing, slowly add 1 cup of warm pineapple juice, 3 cups of water, and make sure that all your liquids are warm. Finally, this part is optional, but I like to add a couple of drops of food coloring. We increase the speed to medium and continue mixing for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is a perfect time to test your masa, and if it floats, it means it's ready and you have a well-hydrated masa. If it doesn't float, add a little bit more water, mix, and test again. Now we add the masa and make sure to add it on the soft side. I left my husks soaking overnight, and this is so they're soft and easier to fold when you make your tamales. And we just keep doing the same until we run out of masa. With this amount of masa, I made about 30 tamales. To our pot, I'm gonna add water just below the steamer. Add a layer of husk, and now we can start adding the tamales, standing up just like this. Once they're all in, we add another layer of husk, a wet rag, cover them up, and now we cook on medium heat for 50 minutes to an hour. It's been an hour and our tamales are now ready. What I like about tamales de piña is that they're easy to make. Everyone loves them. They go perfect after a meal. They're so fluffy. The masa is so soft. They're just perfect. All right, guys, now for the moment of truth. Cheers! And there you have it, delicious tamales de piña.